Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see how much HTML, CSS and JavaScript is enough for you in 2023. Basically, we are going to see a roadmap which you need to know before you dive into your full stack development journey. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started. So we have few frameworks like Django and React. Django will be helping us to reduce the complexity and write to the backend servers, and React also helps the developers to ease their task. Before getting into those kind of frameworks, there are few fundamentals that you need to focus on before getting started. In this video, I'll be taking you to this step-by-step approach of what all the fundamentals you need to cover. Step 1, start with a scripting language. In the full stack, JavaScript is the scripting language. You can learn it free from YouTube videos. Like, you can go to the channel named Programming with Mosh and you can learn all the basic things like loops and conditionals. Once you get some familiarity with it, you can go ahead to something like CoreChef or HackerRank. You can practice few of the questions so that you get familiar with the JavaScript. Step 2, learn CSS and HTML. So learn both of them a bit, like get a familiarity with them, like how they work and all the basic tags. So firstly, you need to learn about the basic tags of HTML, like anchor tag and all the heading tags, paragraph tags. So there are few basic tags that you need to get to know about. So once you get to know about those tags, you can even learn about the buttons, like what kind of buttons you can add. And here you can try to inculcate this JavaScript also, like you can use this buttons by adding the functionalities using the JavaScript. And once you get to know how you can import the JavaScript and you can write a code which is having the HTML and JavaScript, now you can just create a basic game using that. Like, you can just move using the buttons. You can just use the buttons and move an object on the canvas to the left or right. You can just create such game by using this. Now you need to know how to connect your application to a backend server. Before knowing this, you might need to know the asynchronous nature of the JavaScript. Have to talk with the backend APIs using the JavaScript, like how we are using the simple fetch, what are cookies, and what is coming from the server. So these all things you might need to know. And then you can now, after knowing all these things, you can now learn this React and Django frameworks. And before this, the lastly, that is, there is something that you need to know about, that is DOM manipulation. So this is something that is by using which the websites are dynamically created before these all frameworks are introduced. Learn this DOM manipulation and then learn the React, which made it much easier than the DOM manipulation. So after you learn all these fundamentals of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, once you write the logic in them, try to write the same logic using the complex frameworks, which are much easier. So this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.